Hey YouTubers, what's your favorite way for you to make your hamburgers? I had some friends at the house the other day and they were kind of surprised at how I make my hamburgers. I put the frozen hamburger in the pan and turn it over every 4 minutes, and I put the onions and the mushroom and the peppers around the edge, and about 15 minutes the hamburger is done. And the cool thing is, what do we got for temperature? Actually, we've got kind of high. I like to go at 180, but don't want to go too high because then it starts to get all the moisture out. Put it on my fixings there. And this, some of it goes on my hamburger, and some of it gets eaten separately and can be added to other stuff. But all of these flavors come out into the pan from the hamburger and mixed with the vegetables. I've got parsley, onion powder, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, soy sauce, salt, pepper, no salt. And all of this can be added to other things, recipes, or with the mushrooms, have it on the plate as a side when I finish my hamburger. It makes a totally scrumptious, delicious, moist, flavorful hamburger, and I don't see too many people do that. They just fry it or grill it, but this way it's cooked slow on medium heat and all the flavors come out and mingle with the mushrooms and the onions and the garlic and the peppers, and it's super flavorful and pretty quick too. Alright guys, take care, see you out there.